Hiring a new employee comes with a lot of expenses, legal duties, and other responsibilities that some companies may not be able to handle. That's where Employer of Record, or EOR, can help. By teaming up with an employer of a record, you can focus on your main goals while they handle your employee's regulatory and legal requirements. This video will tell you everything you need to know about Employer of Record, or EOR. Employer of record, sometimes referred to as co-employment, is an HR solution that enables companies to outsource various employment-related responsibilities to a third-party provider. Basically, the EOR acts as the official employer for a company's employees. They take care of a payroll, benefits administration, tax withholdings, compliance with labor laws, and other HR functions. By partnering with an EOR, companies can focus on their core business objectives while offloading time-consuming admin tasks and ensuring legal compliance. Employers of record aren't just for big companies. They're for businesses of all sizes. If you're looking to hire someone in a place where you don't have a legal entity and you don't feel like jumping through all the hoops of creating one, an EOR is what you need. With an EOR, you can tap into talent from all over the world, no matter how small your business is. In an employer of record arrangement, both the EOR and the client company share certain responsibilities. While the EOR is responsible for taking care of admin and regulatory tasks, the client company, on the other hand, remains responsible for tasks related to day-to-day management of the employees. This includes supervising the employee, providing direction and training, and managing performance. The client also retains responsibility for decisions related to hiring, firing, and promotions. It's important to note that the specific responsibilities of the EOR and the client may vary depending on the terms of the agreement. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. Using an employer of record can be a great idea for your company for a bunch of reasons. One of those reasons is compliance. When you partner with an EOR, they can help you make sure that your company is following all the local labor laws and regulations in your employee's location. That means the EOR takes care of all the legal matters and requirements, so you don't have to worry about them. And that's a good thing because it means less work for you, less risk of getting to any legal and HR troubles. When it comes to cost savings, using an EOR can be a smart move for your company. Getting help from an EOR can be a more cost-effective option than setting up a legal entity in a foreign country or working with a regular staffing agency. That's because the EOR takes care of all the boring admin stuff that comes with hiring and managing employees. And since they're doing all the work, it can save your company a lot of time and money. If you're looking for more flexibility in your company's operations, using an employer of record could also be a great option. Since you're not tied down to a specific location, you'll have more flexibility to adapt to changing business needs. That means you can expand your operations more easily and take advantage of new business opportunities as they come up. When you work with an employer of record, you get access to their expertise on the local labor laws and regulations in the countries where they operate. This is a great news for your company since you can rely on their knowledge to help you navigate the complexities of local employment regulations. Plus, since the EOR has local expertise, they can make sure that your employees are being treated fairly.
Nice.
That way, you can focus on growing your business knowing that your employees are in good hands. Using an EOR lets your company concentrate on what it does best, running the business, while leaving the hiring, administrative, and employment tasks to the EOR. This can be a huge weight off your company's shoulder as it can free up valuable time and resources to focus on growth and success. If you have any questions about EOR or building your offshore team, let us know in the comment section down below. You could also reach out to us by visiting outsourceaccelerator.com, where you can book a consultation and get 3 free codes. We would love to discuss your plans to grow your global team. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. And as always, thanks for your support. Bye!